Take a ride in the 2024 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.